Generally, when brands send us products before launch, we sign an NDA or non-disclosure agreement. We as reviewers aren't allowed to disclose anything about the product till a certain date, after which the embargo on the non-disclosure lifts and we are free to show you guys our hands-on and unboxings and whatnot. This time Realme's got a weird embargo deal. This is the Realme Band, and today I'm only allowed to talk about the overall design, show you guys the display and also walk you through what options the Realme Band has to offer. On Friday is when I can talk about the specs, walk you through the apps and share my views on the product. I don't really like this kind of embargo any more than you do, but hey, this is YouTube, this is an interesting product and I'm sure you guys want to see a video on it as soon as possible. So whatever I'm allowed to show you, that is what I'm going to talk about in today's video. And once it goes on sale, I'm also going to be giving away 3 of these. Hey guys, Ash here from C4eTech, and if you like the honest transparency or if you like giveaways, go ahead, subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Let's now get this video started. Here's how the Realme Band looks. Here's a close-up shot. The tracker, it's kind of integrated into the band itself. That gives the Realme Band a seamless look. It feels pretty lightweight. I expect it to be comfortable for long-term use. This tracker has a colored screen that looks really nice. First up, here we can see the Bluetooth connectivity, the steps walked, the battery status, and of course, bang at the center, time. Navigating through the band menu is simple. Just touch the capacitive button below the display and the band cycles through all the options there are till we end up right back at the clock screen. So how do we actually get into one of the options? Well, let's say you wanna start tracking your cricket activity. So if you're gonna play cricket and you wanna start tracking it as an activity, go to cricket and tap and hold it for a bit. We get this countdown timer on screen, and now the Realme Band is tracking our heart rate as well as the calories being burned while playing cricket. Once we're done playing, we can go ahead and turn it off the same way, tap and hold. And the band gives us a little summary of the total calories burnt along with the average heart rate and the max it spiked to while playing. And yeah, there is a heart rate sensor to the back. We have 2 other exercise options preloaded onto the band, running and yoga, and they work pretty much the same way. Now, if you want to just measure heart rate and not track activity, then the Realme Band also lets us do just that right from here. And now this option, well, it's just regulatory info and stuff, nothing really interesting. What is interesting though is this: the Realme Band can be charged directly using just about any USB port. Just pull the strap off, yeah, it comes off just like this, and you just plug it in directly and it starts charging. It's super simple, and this means we don't have to carry around an extra charger like we'd have to with, say, a Mi Band or even something like a Fitbit. But what kind of long-term effect will this have on the strap? Will it end up becoming looser over time? Can't really answer that now. Anyway, that's pretty much what I can show you guys in today's video. So let's quickly switch to the giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 3 Realme Bands, and like the last time, to avoid bot entries and to ensure real people have a higher chance of winning, I'm adding a little something extra. There are going to be a couple of questions from this video on the giveaway page, and if you watch the video, you should be able to answer them with no issues. And the rest is pretty much business as usual. Just ensure you're subscribed to C4eTech to enter us all. So the giveaway runs from today to the 30th of March, and on the 31st, 3 winners will be chosen at random, and you guys will get a Realme Band each. So good luck, guys. I guess that is pretty much it. And again, the winners will be announced via Twitter, and if you're not on Twitter, you can check out the winners by clicking on the same link you used to enter. So anyway, I will be back on Friday with a more detailed video on the Realme Band. And do let me know if you have any questions you'd like answered, if there's anything in particular you'd want me to address in that video, and I will try to get that done. So with that, we get to the end of this video. It is time I bid you adieu. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt about this video. Subscribe, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon if you haven't yet. And thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4eTech, and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.